Good afternoon mga MMM. Once again, I will show you my provide help and get help. Now, first I discuss my provide help first on August 28, of 2015. I provide help mounting 4,800 and my recipient are divided into 4. This 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. First, provide help to Mr. RG amounting 3,200. Second, Miss Canizares Damasa, 400 pesos. Third, Miss Chavez Marife, for 800 pesos. And last is Mr. Jim, 400 pesos. Total of 4,800. This is my transaction. Now, I will show you my get help. I get help amounting 5,100 pesos on August 31, 2015. So it divided into 3. My 3 senders. So my first sender is Mr. Jobin, who provide 1,200, and Miss Padiday, who provide help 2,400, and the last is Mr. Dominador Pototan, who provide 1,500 pesos, total of 5,100. So thank you MMM for paying. Thank you to founder of MMM, Mr. Sergi Magludi. And to all, I encourage you to support MMM by joining here. We will help the community and community will help you. Together we change the world. Maraming salamat.